Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you an on-trend centerpiece, perfect for weddings and events, focused on foliage, no flowers at all. All the foliages are from 50flowers.com. I ordered 2 combination boxes. One, wedding foliages, that's filled with fabulous Fatsia, Pittosporum, Cocculus, Ruscus, leathery, long-lasting, shiny, and fabulous foliages. Then I ordered the Australian mix, which gives me so many grand textures to work with. You can see they're all so grand. One of my favorites, the emu feather and the koala fern, but all of them are wonderful. The container, a stoneware pot, lined, and then filled with water already mixed with flower food. The mechanics to support the foliages, natural. I'm using curly willow. I ordered a box. It comes in so pliable, easy to work with. You can tie it together and knot it, building an armature to support your stems. When you tie it off, a little bit of bind wire, give it a cut, and then just set it right down in the vessel, ready for designing. Once you have your armature made, then it's easy. Just taking each of the foliages, cocculus, giving it a cut, and then weaving it through right down into the water. And every time you place a stem, it makes the whole design a little more sturdy. Coming in with some ruscus, a Fatsia leaf, tucking it in, maybe a second one, terraced over the top, creating depth in the design, coming back and adding in, making sure I go to the right, to the left, forward and back, and bring some up through the center to add height. The Pittosporum is so shiny and bright, it really enhances the focal emphasis area, so bringing it in to the center, then also bringing some around to the back so that you don't end up flat, tucking it in. The ruscus has such a nice straight line, using it to establish the line in the design. The Fatsia gives you great stability, so it's wonderful at the base. The luxurious base is set, and now I can go back and add the texture and the contrast and the most fabulous things. The koala fern, tall and stately, and the brighter green hue, tucking it in. A second one, coming a little more forward. The umbrella fern, getting a nice lacy look, can come in over the top. The emu feather, oh my gosh, so delicate and lacy. Letting it trail, coming out, adding a real touch of softness, and then enhance, making sure you've got enough to fill it in beautifully. The recipe is easy. It's all from 50flowers.com. I started with the Tropical Wedding Greenery Combo Pack, which gave me the cocculus, the ruscus, the Fatsia, the Pittosporum, and then I added the Australian mix. That's where I got the koala fern, the emu feather, and the umbrella fern. So many fabulous materials to work with, all from 50flowers.com. Foliage centerpieces are so on trend. You can make them small, medium, large, and they're so easy when you have a great variety of materials to work with. For more creative inspiration, check out our website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create? Find your most favorite foliages, take a picture, then post it on social media. Be sure to tag Floral Design Institute and 50 Flowers so we both can see and everyone else can see what you create as you do something you love.